typically the treatment course is 3 treatments, anywhere from 2 to 4. So we would probably see a difference at the end of that 3rd treatment. But that being said, most people appreciate a difference after the 1st treatment. And so it's just progressive thereafter. Sometimes women would need to have a booster somewhere a year afterwards. So you have to kind of individualize again to the individual, but it's probably about 3 treatments. That's what we need in order to get the moisture. Now, ladies will tell me all the time, after the 2nd treatment, they've noticed that they're using less lubrication. They don't have to apply any kind of lubricants. Sometimes I might complement the treatment with a smidgen of estrogen, but that's something that is not necessarily performed with every single patient. The 1st treatment is, say, August 1st. The next treatment would be September 1st. The next treatment would be about 6 weeks from that. So each time we build on what we've accomplished previously.